Yuri teacher time! Hello boys and girls, Yuri teacher is here. And guys, all the 7-year-old, you guys are going to have a graduation on Thursday, next Thursday. So this video clip is going to be Yuri teacher's last video clips for you, right? Are you guys happy that you're not gonna see your teachers anymore? Yes? Lying. Oh, your teacher's going to miss you guys so much. Anyways, guys, but this week we're still gonna have review day, guys. And this is gonna be your last dictation part of your homework, writing part of your homework. So your teacher's not usually, I can't check your homework for the next week. So I think your mommy's going to check your homework. So please finish it up, okay? All right. So this whole week we went over the short U sounds words, right? Short U sounds words. You. It sounds like right? So we went over the abu words and atu words together, right? So we are going to go over all the atu and abu words very quickly because this is going to be so easy for you. Yes? I think 5 of you guys, like, Luke, Steven, Stella, Lime, and Ruby, this is very, very easy for you. I think every one of you guys can read all the short vowel sounds words by now, right? Yes? All right, so let's see. Let's go over the abu words first, okay? What is this? K-ab. What is ab? Yes. What about this one? S-ab. T-ab. And what about this is atu words, right? This is h-at, n-at, k-at. So easy. Cub, rub, sub, pub, hut, nut. Okay, come here. All right. Say I'm sorry, teacher. Okay, so say hello, mommy and daddy.
Hello, mommy and daddy.
Okay, so your teacher will see if you can read all the short U sounds words or not, okay? So how does U sound like you? Right? How does UB sound like UB? UT? Very good. Let's see if you can read all the words. Speak louder, okay? Stand up. Look over there. Okay, so what about tub? Speak louder. So everybody can hear you. Okay, what is tub? What is tub? Sub. Very good. What is hut? Hut. Very good. What is nut? Not. No, or something. Cut. What about rub? What is cub? Do you want to dance? Yes? Do you want to dance? Let's dance. Come on, dance. Okay, stop. Calm down. Okay, so Stella, you're gonna go back to your class and do your activity and tell line to come up. Line. 5, 4, 3. Say hello, mommy and daddy.
Hello, mom and daddy.
Okay, so your teacher will see if you can read the short U sounds words. Okay, line. Before you do that, how does UB sound like? UB. UB. What about UT? Okay, so stand straight. Okay, what is tub? Very good. Sub. Very good. Hut. Very good. What is nut? Nut. Very nice. What is cut? Very good. What about Yes. Very good. What is kub? I think you did. You got all the words. You read all the words right. So go tell Ruby to come up. Okay. Stop laughing. Come on. Okay, so calm down, Ruby. Okay, say hello, mommy and daddy.
Hello, mommy and daddy.
Okay, so your teacher my hairs are so cute today. Okay, so Ruby, your teacher will see if you can read all the short U sounds words. Okay, how does UB sound like? UB.
Obu.
Yes, obu. What about UT?
Atu.
Very good. Atu. Let's see if you can read all the words. You're gonna stop laughing. Stop. Are you okay? Stop. Okay, let's do this one together. Okay, what about Ruby? How does tub sound like? Tub. Tub. What is sub? What is hut? Very good. What is nut?
No.
Nut. Rub. What about cup? Little baby bear, right? Cup. Very good. Ruby, are you okay? Oh, you should calm down a little bit. Calm down. All right, so Ruby, go tell Steven to come. Steven. Come here, Steven. Taekwondo boy. Say hello, mommy and daddy.
Hello, mommy and daddy.
Oh, yesterday I saw your little sister. What was your little sister's name? One more time.
Kai.
Okay. you look so cute. All right, so Steven, your teacher's gonna see if you can read all the words or not. Okay. What about Steven? How does you sound? Like you. You be. You t. Very smart. Okay. So Steven, what is tub? Tub. Sun. Very good. Hot. Not. Very good. Rub. Very good. High five. Very smart. All right, so you did an excellent. I think your mommy and daddy are so happy. Okay, so you want to show the taekwondo moves? All right, do the taekwondo. The orange belt? Yes, nice. That's good too. Because other second they all have white belt, but you have orange belt. That's good. Yes. All right, so let's call out Luke later on because Luke's not here today. Okay, come on, Steven, say bye bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Nice move. All right, so bye bye guys. All right, you guys can read all the short CBC sounds words. So, guys, your teacher will see if Luke can give us all the dictation part of your homework. Okay, so number 1 through 6. Are you ready, Luke? We took a video clip when you were not here on a Tuesday, I think. Yes, I'm sorry, you were not here on Tuesday, so we took a little video clip. I don't know why it was on Tuesday, but we took it. I'm sorry. But you are going to be here. You're gonna give us the dictation part of your homework number 1 through 6. Don't worry, okay? You're here. So, are you ready, Luke? All right, so I think it's gonna be so easy for you. Okay, so number 1, look. Number 1 is tub. This is gonna be your last homework, so please do it. All right. Number 1 is tub. Ruby, write it down. Tub. And number 2, guys. Number 2 is hot. Luke is giving us all the words, so you have to write it down. Hot. Number 3. I'm gonna be really quick. Don't have any really time. I don't really have time. This is cub. Number 3. And number 4. Lime, are you listening? Are you writing it down? Yes. This is nut. Number 4 is nut. Nut. And number 5. Am I going too quick? Number 5 is rub. I love your smiley face. Look, I'm gonna miss your smiley face. So sad. Number 6, guys. Number 6 is cut. Number 6. All right, so thank you, Luke. I'm gonna miss you so much. All right, so guys, that was the last video clips for you. Last video clip for you guys. Your teacher, it has to go, and I have to go now. Are you gonna miss your teacher? Yes or no? I'm going to miss you guys so much, but I wish you the best. You're gonna be a great student at your elementary school, right? And are you gonna miss me? Yes. You can visit your teacher anytime. I'm gonna be right here. So whenever you wanna see your teacher, you can come visit over here, okay? Just stop by. So sad. I'm gonna miss you guys. All right, so guys, but still, we have next week. Your graduation day is on Thursday, but we're gonna have a market day on Wednesday, and probably we're gonna take a little graduation picture from Monday through Wednesday because there's a lot of kids and it takes a little time for each one of you. So I think I'm gonna start taking the picture from Monday. So prepare. All right, so guys, have a great weekend. We still have a little time, so let's just have fun together. All right, so have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Bring up your homework. Oh, I can check your homework. You can bring it. Yes. What was I thinking? All right, so bring it on Monday. All right, so bye-bye, guys. Bye. Still sad.